Artificial intelligence (AI) is used in various fields and industries. Some of the major areas where AI is extensively used include 1. Healthcare. AI is employed in medical diagnosis, drug discovery, personalized medicine, treatment planning, and patient monitoring. 2. Finance. AI is used for fraud detection, algorithmic trading, risk assessment, credit scoring, and customer service in the banking and financial sectors. 3. Education. AI is employed in adaptive learning systems, intelligent tutoring, grading automation, and personalized education platforms. 4. Manufacturing. AI is used for process optimization, predictive maintenance, quality control, robotics automation, and supply chain management in manufacturing industries. 5. Retail. AI is utilized in recommender systems, demand forecasting, inventory management, chatbots for customer service, and visual recognition for product search. 6. Transportation. AI is employed in autonomous vehicles, traffic management systems, route optimization, and predictive maintenance in the transportation sector. 7. Agriculture. AI is used for automated farming, crop monitoring, precision agriculture, pest detection, and yield prediction in the agricultural industry. 8. Customer service. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are widely used in customer service for providing instant support and resolving queries. 9. Cybersecurity. AI is employed for anomaly detection, intrusion detection, threat intelligence, and secure authentication in cybersecurity systems. 10. Gaming. AI is used in game playing, virtual opponents, character behavior, and procedural content generation in the gaming industry. These are just a few examples, and AI is increasingly being incorporated into various other domains, including marketing, energy, law, human resources, and more. The potential applications of AI are vast and continue to expand as technology advances.